welcome back to my channel. It's a girl Z-Face and I'm back with another video. Today's video I'm just going to be giving you guys some tips on how to make your foundation to stop being oily before the day runs out, or just how to keep your look matte all day. I'm just going to be sharing with you guys my tips and my tricks. Okay, so make sure you keep watching this video. Like, if you're not subscribed, what are you waiting for? Subscribe, click on the notification bell so you get notified whenever I do an upload, and I'll see you guys soon. So the first thing I'm going to start with is priming. You want to use a matte primer to do your face. Okay, using a matte primer on your face, especially if you are oily, if you're oily skin, you want to use a matte primer. I have so many matte primers, but I'm going to use one matte primer, and the primer I'm going to be using today is Pond's. So this is my Pond's primer. I know it looks really dirty. My foundation just poured on it and I've been trying to clean it like forever. It's not just getting clean. So the two primers that I would like to recommend are, well, this one is actually very affordable. You can get it very easily. And the next primer that I always use is my V Beauty Photo Finish Oil Control. You guys already know this is like my favorite primer right now, and I have oily skin, so I always use matte primers. Okay, so this actually serves as oil and sweat control. It actually blocks your pores or protects your skin, just forms that perfect layer where your foundation is going to sit in well. I'm going to be using the Pond's today because I feel like I've been using the V Beauty for a very long time. Is it long even? So you can either use your hands or your brush to do the application. Okay, my face really looks matte already. You guys can see it really looks matte and dry. Okay, but it doesn't feel too dry. Okay, that's why I love this primer. Then the next thing that I'll do is I'm going to set my face with my setting powder. So I'll be using my Helen C setting powder. Just set your whole face. You can use a brush for this, just whichever one works for you. But I don't know, I have a thing for my beauty blenders. Then I'll go into this foundation brush and just dust that. So after setting, I'm going to move right ahead into my foundation. So before anything, use a matte foundation. Okay, if you're oily, use a matte foundation. If you have oily skin, don't go for an oily foundation or a less matte foundation. Use a foundation that is matte. Okay, it just helps, and it's going to make your skin like stay matte all day, or your makeup stay matte all day. Even if you're not using maybe a very matte foundation, just use a primer and set your face. I bet you it's going to help a lot. Okay, so for today's foundation, I'll be using the Issa and Doze foundation. If you follow me on Instagram, I have talked about this like on my beauty page and my makeup business, my beauty page and my beauty store. I speak about this foundation all the time. Like, it's affordable and it's also matte. Like, it's very matte. You guys are just going to see how it is. So the shade I'm using is called Cocoa. So I feel like this shade is darker than my skin tone. Okay, when because I use this like 3 times, I feel like this foundation is darker than me, but I don't have any worries because I know I'm normally going to highlight and stuff like that. I don't just want to mix any other foundation with this. I just want you guys to see the effects that this one gives. Okay, the matte effect. And well, let's do this. So this foundation is very affordable. I recommend it for oily skin. very affordable. I think I'm going to do a video talking about affordable matte foundations that you can get in the market that is going to like suit your body, make your face matte. Okay, and let's do this. You can see, so I would like to first of all make small dots on my face before I go ahead to blend with my foundation brush. So I'll be using my eyeshadow blending brush to do that, or my brow brush to do that. So when working with this foundation, you need to be very careful because it is really matte. It like dries off quickly. Okay, so I'm going to put on this side, blend this side before moving to the other side. So you want to make sure you're dapping that into your skin. You're not swiping, you're dapping, or should I say patting. Did you guys see that? Like, and a good thing about this foundation is it's full coverage as well. Like, how can one foundation be this good? Oh my god. Yeah. This is nice, guys. It's so matte, so matte. I'm going to blend that down to my neck. So guys, this is a Nigerian brand. Their products are amazing. Okay, I tried out some of their products and they are really amazing. Guys, this is nice. Oh my god, this is so nice. Look at that coverage. Like, oh my goodness, it's mad. Like, and it doesn't even form a layer. It just looks like my skin. Okay, it's like I haven't put any foundation on my face, but you can virtually see with this side because I have my dark circles still here, nothing here. This is good. Oh my god, I'm just going to go ahead and do this other side and I'll be right back. What? Baby girl. So guys, with this foundation I do not even need to pat again my beauty blender. Like, the coverage is out of this world, the matte nature is out of this world. Like, please, if you don't have this, make sure you get one, especially if you are oily. Okay? Oh, baby girl. So moving on to highlighting, I'm going to be using a matte concealer as well. This is actually optional. This is optional. You can choose to use your LA Girl Pro concealer, but I like to use my matte concealers because I have a very oily skin and I just like staying matte all day. Okay, concealer here. This concealer is matte as well, but this one is too white. I'll be using my exclusive concealer in number 02 warm nude. Oof. In warm nude, I'm just going to go ahead and use that to highlight.
Why do I need to be good all the time? I'm wrapped around his finger, but he is mine. Don't care what they say, too late anyway. Why do I need to be good all the time? Yeah, it gets when I'm in a bad mood. Then he knows how to make it alright. Yeah, I get that he got a history, but I don't wanna think about no other than us. They look at me, situation. Look at him, he's got a bad reputation. They be looking at us, thinking we are too much. Look at me, I'm in a bad situation. Look at him, he's got a bad reputation. They be looking at us. Why do I need to be good all the time? I'm wrapped around his finger, but he is mine. Don't care what they say, too late anyway. Why do I need to be good all the time? Nah, 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 no drama, no drama, yeah. Nah, 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 no drama, yeah, yeah. Nah, nah, nah.
So guys, after highlighting, I'm just going to go ahead and blend everything, and you guys already know the drill. I'm just using my damn beauty blender to blend. There was so much noise in the house, so I couldn't continue talking to you guys. Okay, I just had to stop and do a voiceover. So just highlighting my nose, my forehead, then I'm going to go into my beauty blender and blend out the highlights that I have on my nose and my forehead. Fun facts with this matte beauty, with these matte concealers, are they blend easily. Like, most people are always like, oh, they take time to blend. The trick is when you put them, blend at that moment. Just look at how my forehead blended in well, and you guys know blending out the forehead is very, very difficult. Like, it's always the most difficult part to blend on the face. So after blending all of that, I'm going to use my elegant powder to set my under eye and to make my under eye look brighter, and to also increase the time my makeup is going to stay matte. Okay, this is also a trick, kind of like a trick. Okay, you're just setting your face with that. Then after that, I'll set my face using my Helen C setting powder. So after setting all the areas that I highlighted, I'm just going to go ahead and start blending my face. Well, I'm going to contour my face using my dark Issa and Dose powder. You guys already know this contour powder already. Okay. Then after contouring, I'll start blending my forehead using my powder brush. I'm just buffing off that powder. Okay, I'm not wiping all the powder. I'm actually patting that into my skin lightly. Like, you guys see the movements I'm making. Then I'm buffing out the powder under my eyes. Okay, then I'll go ahead to do my brows off camera and my eyes.
Gets me going. Yeah, like a little text saying, hey, what's up? They look at me, I'm in a bad situation. Look at him, he's got a bad reputation. They be looking at us, thinking we are too much. Look at me.
So after blending all of that, I'm going to go ahead and apply my blush and my bronzer.
Why do I need to be good all the time? I get that you got a history.
Good blending is going to give you good makeup. Yes, that is right. If you blend well, you're going to have a flawless face beat. Okay, so right now I'm just admiring that. Okay, like I haven't even sprayed my face, but my face looks flawless already. So I'm just giving you guys a little bit of victory looks, victory dance, you guys know. So this is the finished look. I just went ahead to do the rest of my face off camera because this video was just to give you guys tips on how to keep your face matte all day. So to spray my face, I'll be using my Kiss Beauty mattifying spray, and after spraying my face, I just let that to air dry, then go into my beauty blender and pat everything that I have into my skin. So this just makes every product to just sit into your skin properly, you know, after the setting spray. Okay, it just helps the setting spray to balance up with the foundation, the concealer, and everything that you have on your face.
But I want him anyway. So look at me, I'm in a bad situation. Look at him, he's got a bad reputation.
So truth be told, I don't know what I was doing here, but I guess I was just trying to tell you guys that this makeup is very, very matte. Like, sometimes you touch your face and you have makeup on your hands. That is not going to happen if you follow my tips and my tricks. Okay, like you can see me touching my face right now and I don't have my hands printed on my face, and that is what you want. Okay, that is how you want your face to be, and your makeup will be very, very matte if you follow my tips and my tricks. If you enjoyed this video, let me know in the comment section down below, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye.
No drama, yeah, yeah.